The Shield winning their first match here in WWE, and as Seth Rollins tweeted earlier, tonight they changed the world.
Look out! Oh, what a drop kick! Can that man jump out of the gym or what? Here's the tag. The Shield's got it all rolling on all cylinders. Rowan caught with a drop kick. Getting to keep up. Ambrose connecting, calls that dirty deeds. Hold to the leg, and Ambrose gets the lead.
Claymore zigzag. And it's Rollins now. Running interference. Super kick. Ambrose. Running things. Rolls into the cover. The Shield. Samoa drop on the top. No wait. Seth Rollins slides down the spine. Is it up for Rollins here? Now Roman Reigns from behind. A big right hand. Rollins looking to somehow capitalize here. That's 100 years of powerbomb right there. There goes the attitude. And Triple H said it's the reality here. Hey, look at this. Attitude adjustment. A shot down. A spear. A spear. Cover. The Shield has done it.
Release the house!
The Scots Are you kidding me?
The server is going to send Kofi straight to Hades.
An extra large! Cover! Rise up!
Then Randy said, Rollins on tail by Orton. A minute.
A spear by Reigns! A spear by Reigns! Ambrose, the legal man!
They can have it.
The cover! Look at the
of the Shield now have gold. There's Ambrose, the new United States champion. Rollins and Reigns, tag team champions.
And now,
wait for the Batista bomb. Rollins lands on his feet. Roman Reigns with a spear.